Welcome to ANS Solver question 6 of this paper. So for part A, they are asking us to complete the Venn diagram to show this information that they have provided above. Now they are telling us 90 students play football but not baseball. So we can say that 90 students would play only football. And in the first line they've told us 120 students play football. So that means that the common part would be 120 minus 90, which is 30. Now for baseball, they told us that 40 students play baseball. Therefore, we have to subtract 30 from it because 30 is the common part. The 30 is the number of students who play both sports. So 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. Now there are total of 240 students in school. So 240 minus 90 minus 30 minus 10 will give us 110 as the remaining. So these 110 students are those students who don't play either of the sports, that is football or baseball. Now let's move to part B of this question. So for part B, they are asking us to find the number of elements, or not the number of elements, the number of students for this particular set. So this means F complement, meaning everything other than the F set, intersection B complement, so everything other than the B set. And intersection means whatever is common between the two, F complement and B complement. So what is common here is everything other than the two sets, so that would be the 110 students who don't play either of these two sports. Now let's move to part C of this question. So for part C, a student in the school is chosen at random and they are asking you to find the probability that the student plays baseball but not football. So the probability that a student plays baseball is 10, because if we take total of 40, out of those 40, 30 students do play football. So therefore only 10 students play baseball but not football, and there are a total of 240 students. So therefore your final answer would be 10 divided by 240. Now let's move to part D of this question. So for part D, they are asking you to find the probability that, so out of the two students who play, so they are telling us two students who play baseball are chosen at random. Find the probability that they both also play football. So out of all the students who play baseball, that is 40 students, we have to find the probability that they play football as well. So that would be the 30 students that play both the sports, baseball and football. So the probability of picking the first student would be 30 divided by 40 multiplied by, now since we've already picked this one student, the total number of students who play both sports would reduce by 1, that so it will become 29, and the total number of students who play baseball will also get reduced by 1, so the total will become 39. And therefore your final answer would be, you simply have to multiply this, so 30 multiplied by 29 divided by 40 multiplied by 39. So your final answer would be 29 divided by 52, and this is the fraction in its simplest form. So if your fraction doesn't match this, it's okay. So first simplify your get your fraction into the simplest form and you will get this answer, that is 29 divided by 52. And therefore these are your final answers for question 6 of this paper.